Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to watch Hulu in Spain. So as you know, Hulu is only available in the USA. So when I click on login, and then I put my email and password. As you can see, it says that Hulu is available in the US only. But there is a trick that you can do, which is using a VPN. That can trick the Hulu website that you are in the US. In the description, I will leave a link to NordVPN, which is the king of VPNs worldwide, and it's the best choice for accessing Hulu from anywhere in the world. It has the fastest speeds available, and it's one of the few that are working. What you need to do is to open NordVPN, and then search for the United States. And then you select it. And once connected, you should go back, and then refresh this page. And now let me log in. As you can see, it's verifying my email. That means I can successfully watch Hulu, even I'm not in the USA. I need just to verify my email, and I can then access to Hulu with no problems. I will leave a link in the description and in the first comment, so you can have 63% off NordVPN, which is again, the best VPN provider. And also, you get a 3 extra months for free with 30 days money back guarantee. So make sure to give it a chance by clicking on the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And thank you guys for watching. Hope that this helps you. If you want to see more tutorials, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.